In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time in Jira efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking for a refresher on tracking your work hours, this walkthrough will ensure you get the most out of Jira's time tracking capabilities. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Jira account, open your preferred browser, and for this demonstration, we'll be using Google Chrome. In the address bar, type in your Jira site URL, which typically looks something like yourcompany.atlassian.net. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your Jira dashboard. It's quite straightforward, and you'll quickly find yourself navigating the familiar interface if it's not your first time. Next, let's locate the specific issue or task you've been working on. Start by navigating to the projects section where you'll find a list of all the projects you're a part of. Here, you'll want to select the project that contains the task you intend to update. Once inside your chosen project, browse through the list of issues until you find the one you need to log time for and click on it to open. Now, with the issue open, it's time to add the time you've spent working on it. Look around for the log work option. This is usually found on the right-hand panel of the issue view. Sometimes you might need to look under the More Pots drop-down menu. It just depends on how your Jira is set up. Clicking this will bring up a form where you can enter the details of the time spent on your task. In this form, you can enter the amount of time you worked on the issue. Jira is quite user-friendly here, allowing the use of shorthand for time entries. For instance, you can input 2H for 2 hours or 30M for 30 minutes, making it quick and easy to log your efforts. If necessary, you can also specify the precise date when you completed this work. Although optional, it's a good feature to utilize for keeping thorough records. There's also a comment box where you can include any notes or descriptions of the work completed. This is optional as well, but can be immensely helpful for giving context to team members who view the work log later. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, go ahead and save your work log by clicking on the log or save button. You've now completed the process of logging your time. To confirm that your time has been successfully logged, check the work log section of the issue. You should see the time you just entered there. This visibility allows both managers and team members to track the total time spent on various tasks, enhancing team collaboration and ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the project's lifecycle. And there you have it, a straightforward way to log time in Jira. Doing this not only helps in maintaining personal productivity, but also ensures your team stays informed and aligned on project progress. Keep practicing this process to develop an efficient habit of time tracking. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.